Hi everyone, I'm Kieran Price and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a soft flick pixie. So I'm creating a modern feminine pixie cut that I call the soft flick pixie. It's got a very low soft fade, weight through the sides and textured middle part with a natural movement. So let's get into it everyone. First, I wet down the hair and slick it straight back. This just gives me control and I can clearly see my shape before I start cutting. I'm starting with a number 2, that's a 6mm. I'm creating a very low fade and I taper the bottom, then I work just below the ear on the sides and just under that occipital bone at the back. The key here is to keeping it low. I don't want this taken too high, I want to keep the weight throughout the sides so we can flick them later. I repeat the same process on both sides, very controlled, very low, just building a clean base to work into. Now I create a side parting. This removes bulk and gives me space to see what I'm cutting. I'm using my fingers to start chipping into the hair that I'm not fully blending yet. I'm feathering the top into shorter sections underneath. Light, controlled, downward motion. This keeps it soft. Now I move into scissor over comb. I refine the blend on the sides. Everything I've chipped into now starts to melt together. On the back, I work slightly different. I go up first into remove the bulk, then refine the blend. This keeps the crown flatter and more controlled. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit the like and subscribe. There's plenty more cuts coming like this soon in these series. Next, I detail the edges with my trimmers, just very, very lightly. This is a feminine cut, so I don't want sharp, harsh lines. Now onto the top. The top is left longer. I work up in small sections, lifting straight up, then I chip into it. This removes weight without creating blunt lines. I want this to look lived in textured. Effortless, not freshly chopped. I don't want it to look like it's a fresh haircut. Now for the styling, I apply a light pre-styling cream. And when I'm blow drying the hair, I blow dry it upwards, just giving it a nice amount of volume so it stays and let the parts fall very natural. Just enough hold to support the shape, nothing heavy. While drying, I lift for volume and guide the hair back into position, keeping that middle part clean but soft. To finish, I run a small amount of cream throughout the top. This enhances the texture and defines the parting. Then just a light mist of hairspray, enough to hold, not enough to freeze it. And that's the finished look. My soft flick pixie. Modern, soft, feminine with movement. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to call this cut, because that's my version of it. And guys, I shall see you in the next video.